Hi, I'm Ty. You're watching Osmo Mobile Tutorials, where you'll learn how to get the most out of your device. After you've inserted your mobile device and balanced it properly, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and the orientation lock is off. Now, power up the Osmo Mobile and open the DJI Go app. If your device is the only Osmo Mobile nearby, tap Connect. If there are other Osmo Mobile devices around, then choose the one you want according to the device name. If the Bluetooth connection breaks, just tap the Bluetooth icon in the top left corner to reconnect. As long as you use the same device with your Osmo Mobile, the two will always be paired automatically. If you use your phone with another Osmo Mobile, you'll need to repeat the process to reconnect. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Osmo Mobile tutorials.